Hey, what's up, guys? It's Pind over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to show you guys the advancement that I made on the project that I'm working on. So the school management system. So basically, this week I was actually centered on working on the development of some components for the for my dashboard. And as you guys may know, I also finalized already the designs for the prototypes. So currently, what I'm actually busy doing now is to basically start building the components in React. And then so far so good. I don't have any complaints. The project is going according to the plan. And yeah, everything is getting aligned. As I stated, I'm actually working on the dashboard. I work all this week. I was building some interfaces for my dashboard. I'm not sure why these guys are taking so long just to load. Yeah, so basically I'm done creating the design for the pages, or almost done. To be more concrete. So yeah, so I just decided to basically produce this video just to show you guys the development that I made. Somehow my computer is just behaving strangely. I hope. Let me close this browser. Okay, cool. Maybe I can close all those tabs that I don't need it. Okay, what is that now? So close this. Okay, I just wanna get into this. So this is also the design that I made. This is not what I want to show. So we can close this tab as well. Somehow my computer just, okay, so let me just double check to see what is cooking. Okay, so let me close this guy. Just close this guy here, and then now hit back. Okay, cool. Let me just go to my terminal, and then this time I'm just going to, so let me just go and see what's cooking here. Okay, unfortunately I have to restart again my application. So just do it now. That's cool. Just loading. I also want to check. Okay, it's open. Thank you. As I was saying, I managed to create the wireframes for my designs already. So let me just open the hub as well. So I'm kind of like just doing a quick overview of the work that I've done so far, and then just to provide the feedback where there is only two pages that I still have to style, but all the pages they are almost styled already. So yeah, and then by the end I'm just going to create also the styles or the designs I mean for the mobile version after finalized styling these two interfaces. But as I was stating, this week I was working basically building the some. I was working on the database, not on the database, but on the dashboard setting. So this is what I was doing the whole week. So let me just log in. Just gonna log in and put my details. So basically, I was working on the dashboard. This is how let's say, somehow the kind of like a final version of the dashboard will look like. So this is admin version. Can close. Maybe I'll also include more effects or some animation. So, because I don't want my page to be too static like this, but just to say that pages I was working the whole week building these components, or it adds these components in order to for it to look way more better. And then I made a change also on this. I feel like now it's look way more better as well. And the draw also work, and I still work on the student dashboard. On the student dashboard, there is still a lot of work to be done. But basically, this is what I was actually busy working. Under this teacher dashboard, I haven't made any as much change, but definitely I'll improve the styles. Since that now, I'm trying to pay more attention on the holistic aspect of my interface. So this is definitely something that I'm going to start working. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to be aware of the work that I'm currently busy doing, and then to have, like, say, somehow an overview of what exactly I'm doing. So I have my data charts here. So yeah, that's the work that I was actually building. So the system, it's looking every single time way much better and way more pleasant. And now that I have the design for especially for the front end part, not front end part, for the landing pages, basically I'm just going to style accordingly. and then everything is going to be done as quick as possible because I have the designs already. And yeah, that's a quick overview. I also build um, more databases. Let me just open or more table within the databases because I mentioned that I was working on I'm using to create database MongoDB, right? So I create a couple of controllers, like courses controller. I created already for the controllers course. I also created the model for the controller. Just go to model for the course controller. So this is how the model looks like now. Okay, so let me just get into my database, connect, okay, school management. So this is how my collection will look like. This is all the collection that I have on my backend. And this is how everything's look like. I also create the model for attendance this week. Um, Payments I also created because I wanted the system to be able, if the user want to purchase the system, I want my system to allow them to do that. Yeah, so far I'll get there. I also created another routers, a couple of routers for the courses. For instance, the routers that were created, and yeah, so that's it, at least for now. So I just want to show you guys what exactly I was building. So stay tuned. I'm thinking also to do a live on this while I'm building these projects. So which be actually will be nice for you guys to have um, let's say an overview of what's exactly I'm doing. So stay tuned for more to come because this project is a full stack project which I'm using React.js, MongoDB, and Node.js, and I'm using Chakra UI for styling and many other tools that are actually I'm using React. Just to mention, I'm using React 18, the last version of React. So this is kind of like nice, just for you guys to have an overview of what is cooking. So I also managed to build the controller and model for the finance department. So the API is built already. So, so this week actually was very productive because I took a time to be concentrated in building lots of backend stuff, and the majority of them they are almost done. Well, to test my APIs, I'm using for those for those who doesn't know which tool to use whenever you're building your API or constructing your APIs. There is two tools that I use on the industry. One is a Postnet, and another one is the one that I'm currently using, which is Insomnia. So let me just open it. So let me just close. Cool. So yeah, so this is actually quite nice project. I'm actually enjoying building it because it's also helped me out to learn new stuff that I didn't know. So it's a very cool project. I definitely invite you guys to stay tuned to this project. As I said, I'm looking to do a live coding while I'm doing this. It's just to load. Okay, so cool. Okay, I was saying that the tool that I'm using to test my application is Insomnia. So let me just close this guy. So I'm testing my APIs endpoint by using Sonia. For instance, if I go to get all users, then I send that request, I'll be able to, for the users that I have registered, have all the list of the users that have registered, the email, etc., the password, which is encrypted already. So this is how you can actually test your APIs to see if everything is working. So, so I'm basically doing all the things that the industry requires, especially if you are a software developer, backend and front end, which I'll call it basically a full stack developer, right? Because I'm working with backend tools as well as a front end tools. So I just want to say you guys to stay tuned. There is more to come. I'm definitely enjoying build these projects, and then I'll be able to share with you whenever possible all this kind of stuff that I'm currently building, because I'm pretty sure that will aggregate some knowledge on you guys. These things that you see here in the interface, I'm actually using MongoDB. This is Mongo. So this is where my database is actually being developed. So as I said, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please just leave a question. I'll be able to respond to you as soon as I can. And then it will be my pleasure to help you